In primetime news this evening, job uncertainty, fallout from Trump's policies now being felt locally.
Police use latest SOE to put a squeeze on gangsters.
And over $300 million allocated by the state to help Jamaicans fix their homes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Andrea Chisholm. A special welcome as well to our viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Anthony Lugg.
Well, Andrea, I tell you what, tension continues to grow in the U.S. Governor of Florida is seeking to use remittances as a way of curbing illegal immigration. So, what could this mean for countries like Jamaica if this went into law? Details later on in the business day.
Thank you, Lug. And Spencer Darlington has a preview of what's coming up in Primetime Sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Archie. The West Indies women have beaten Bangladesh in the first T20 International. And Deandra Dottin, the all-rounder, is urging the home team to remain aggressive in the series. We'll tell you more later.
Thank you, Spencer. And Romaine Robinson is here with a preview of what's to come in the weather.
Thanks, Andrea. Now, there are showers that are expected to affect sections of northern parishes over the next few days. We still also have windy conditions prevailing across most of the area, slightly drier conditions across the south.
Thank you, Romaine. We will have more on the weather report and forecast later on in the newscast. There's also E-Prime as well as sports commentary. But before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the crackdown on illegal immigration in the United States?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica. And you can post on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News continues right after this break.